Back at it again, guys. This morning I'm hungry and I need me some protein. A bird is right over there in front of that tree with the white. I need me some protein for me and my family, and so I aim for the kill, my friends. And bam, it has been it. Slow motion, bam, it has been it. Now it's time to get closer, skillfully, avoiding the bird from seeing me. Now, as I was about to take another hit at the bird, here comes in a white cloud, and it prevents me from doing so. And so again, I position myself to get an angle to shoot at the bird again. Fortunately, the bird did not fly, and bam, I miss. And here starts the action, my friends. Look at the right of your screen right here, right now. Some people coming in, taking in the action. Hey, guys, it was epic. And I do apologize that you're not seeing everything that is taking place right here, right now. It was epic, my friends. The bird was twisting and turning, and I twisted and I turned with the bird. You see what I'm saying? The bird went through a hole, I jumped the fence, right? The bird was running, I was running the bird down. The bird then entered through a grill, went in an apartment, and I basically took me up some stones and ran the bird out, and it exited the other side through another grill. It was epic. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, guys, fortunately, through the grace of the Almighty, I got the bird. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I got the bird. Kaldalayam la Yahweh Basham Yahushai Basham Rakakadash. Thanking the Lord God of heaven in ancient Hebrew, my friends. So I'm saying, wildlife adventures, hunting for food. Do not forget to subscribe, my friends. Do not forget. Yeah, my friends, it was epic. Guys, many people do not have the slightest idea of the joy it brings to my soul when I shot one single bird through the grace of the Almighty. But many will understand when they do not have an option. When they do not have an option to go to the store to purchase things that they would normally purchase, things are getting more and more difficult, critical times ahead. You see what I'm saying? Hey guys, I had to run that one down, you see what I'm saying? Yeah. Is it? For real, man. Had to run this one down. I'm very tired. So I'm saying to run him down. Ran and left the phone up there, but some people were up there, so I'm saying. And also a slingshot. And the shot container. Here they are. Had to run this one down, guys. Wildlife adventures, hunting adventures with Malak the Rod. Had some fun with this one right here. Yeah. So basically, you know, we do it. We give glory, honor, and praises unto the Lord God of heaven. You see what I'm saying? Giving the Lord great thanks. Protein for this morning. Skillfully and deadly. I'm out. Basically, the general is going to look to see if he has any box can give to me, so I'm saying to put this one in. He's coming up. It's as if he didn't find any. I'm not sure though. You don't find none? Man has a respect for your friends.
We can't try to see it. Tiny wing.
Tiny clip down.
Not clipping, just get one to just.
Yeah.
And time that we think yeah, like you know, yeah, going to do you like catch them here?
You like catch them too?
Yeah.
You eat them too?
Not one time, but not again.
Oh, you raise them?
Yeah, man.
So basically, he did not get the box, but he tried. Still giving thanks for his effort. So I'm saying,